Hi everyone, welcome back to Lucky's Kitchen channel. Today let's enjoy this quick, colorful, and delicious one-pan meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Best of all, it's made in just one frying pan and ready in under 15 minutes. Heat the cooking oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the minced garlic, white onion and saute for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the thin strips chicken breast and stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes until lightly golden and cooked through. Add 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon ginger powder. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Stir the sauce to coat the chicken evenly. Next, add 1 tablespoon chicken seasoning. Next, add 1 small carrot, julienned. This colorful and flavorful chicken stir-fry is packed with juicy chicken breast, crisp bell peppers, and a savory homemade sauce. Next, add 3 color bell peppers, red, yellow, and green, sliced. Stir all ingredients to coat the chicken evenly. Add a little water to the pan for rich sauce flavors. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes, keeping the vegetables slightly crisp and colorful. Love the video, hit subscribe button. Your support means a lot to us. Add the chopped green onions and toss everything together. Cook for another minute until the sauce lightly coats the chicken and vegetables. Remove from heat and serve hot with steamed rice. A quick, healthy, and delicious one-pan meal the whole family will love. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in next recipes.